What up? New pickup in from Dover Street Market, London. So I picked up their hoodie, which is DSM London on there. I just love when they do those, like specifically for the location. And yeah, definitely want to go to all the locations when I have a chance. But yeah, saw the hoodie, had to pick it up. It's the heather gray color. So we'll take a look at it. Open out real quick. Let's open it. Go. There you go. Alright. DSM eShop, London. Wrapped in here. Dover Street Market. Sometimes I'm not able to cop Stussy in the US. I just cop it from the London website. Price is the same, so might as well. We have the hoodie. Stussy, Dover Street Market, London. Got in a medium. The last one. Size M. London exclusive. So yeah. At the New York, I'll say New York, but this is Dover Street, London. So yeah, it's like a little typical London hit on there. But yeah, quick pickup. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, more videos coming. See you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.